Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Hayle Santella and I upload videos every single Sunday. But today's video is an extra one, so we're uploading it on Friday. I wanted to upload this on Thursday. In the future, if I do any kind of like extra videos for you guys, they're gonna go up on Thursdays, but I filmed this video yesterday and my microphone wasn't turned on. So I'm refilming the video today and I'm gonna get it uploaded for you guys yet tonight so that you can watch it real quick. But this is an extra video. I'm throwing it in there for you guys because I'm gonna be opening up the ERIN CONDREN seasonal surprise box with you guys. This is the fall 2019 seasonal surprise box. And we're just gonna jump right into this and start seeing what's inside. So right on the inside of the box, it says, "In all that you do, do it with gratitude." And I absolutely love this saying. It's perfect for the fall season, especially with Thanksgiving. But the design of this, the print of it is gorgeous. It has the painted petals theme or the design, and I just love the colorway of it. It's got like these purples and pinks and the rose gold. It just makes it very fall-esque. It makes it look like falling leaves, which I really like. So that's that. Let's keep going into the box. So right on top we have a note from ERIN CONDREN, and then on the back of this it has all the details on what's inside the box. So we're gonna set this down and revisit it in a minute. Okay, so the first thing that I see inside here is this ERIN CONDREN desk accessories set. Now, this has push pins, paper clips, binder clips, and rubber bands. This would be perfect to have on your desk at work, or if you're a student, to have this inside your desk or in your backpack. I love that it actually kind of reminds me of bubble gum. For some reason, the colors, it's got pink and a turquoise and like a blue color. I don't know, it's just kind of fun. I hope that they come out with this in more colors though, just because it would be kind of, I don't know, fun to have more colors. That's just me though, I like to have a variety. So this would be perfect if you were a student or for at work. The next thing I see in here is this little pencil pouch, and it's called a planny pouch. And it has, just like the planny pack, it has a band on the back so you can wrap it around your planner, but oh, it's so soft. It's like a velvety type of texture, and it's like this dark maroon color, and it has a gold zipper detail. But it's the perfect size for just like a few pencils or pens. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes the planning pack can be a little too big for me. I like to just have just like one pen and maybe a pencil with me. And if I don't want to lose them, this would be perfect because it's just so small. And I absolutely love the color. It like matches the outside of the box and the print of this perfectly. So I like this. Again, that'd be really good for students. The next thing in here I'm so excited about. This is my favorite part of all of the seasonal surprise boxes, is the stickers. And my guess is that these are probably exclusive stickers, just like every other box. But we've got some deco stickers up here, some gradient bullet pointed boxes. We've got some fun washi type of stickers. Again, the print matches really well with the back of the box back here. It just all flows really nicely. And then we've got some flags, some fun quotes, some little, I don't know what to call those, icon flags. Anywho, I absolutely love getting the exclusive stickers. To me, it's what makes the seasonal surprise box worth it. Next up, we have a little gold metal ruler, and it is 6 inches long, and it's really nice and tiny. I really like this. I don't know about you guys, but I love to have straight lines in my planner or in my notebook, so I'm always needing a straight edge. And I don't know why, don't ask me, but when I bought my ruler, I bought an 18-inch ruler, guys. That's not easy to carry around with you. So it sits at my desk, and that's the only time I get to use it. So having this little guy, and again, I like that it's metal. It makes it really durable. So this would be perfect just to stash in my planner or even in the planner folio. So I really like this. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love this. This is adorable. Okay, so we have this looks like a daily type of planner, a daily schedule notepad. Over here on the left-hand side, it has an hourly schedule from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. And then on the right-hand side up here, we have a bullet pointed list and it says top priorities. There's a little hydration tracker, so it's got 8 little water droplets so you can track your water intake throughout the day. We've got 4 bullet points right here for any appointments that you might have. And then there's a blank section down here that says notes. And I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love the print on this. Again, it has like the fall painted petal type of theme. And then it has these birch trees on the back. It's just so cute. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys can get this. I hope this isn't an exclusive item because this is amazing. Okay. It looks like this is the last thing in the box, and it is a interchangeable cover. And oh my gosh, I love this cover. It's just so dark and moody, but it has florals on it, so I don't know. It's kind of fun for fall. It's got some nice foiling on it as well around some of the flowers. This will be a fun cover to use this year. Okay, so now that we've gone through everything that's in the box, let's grab our little note card and talk about what's exclusive and what is a sneak peek. Okay, so the first thing on the list, the interchangeable cover. This is an exclusive item. I'm pretty sure that typically every seasonal surprise box has an exclusive cover and then the exclusive stickers. So again, that's one of the benefits of getting the seasonal surprise box. So unfortunately, anybody that loved this cover, I'm sorry, you're not gonna be able to get it unless you got the seasonal surprise box. Next up is the sticker sheets, and again, those are exclusive. You'll only be able to get these guys if you got the seasonal surprise box. We've got the gold medal ruler, and this is a sneak peek. So if you wanted to grab this, you'll be able to get this on the website. Again, guys, this looks so handy to have and easy to tote around. I would grab this. We've got the functional notepad. No, guys, it's exclusive. Oh, this breaks my heart. You guys aren't gonna be able to get this. So you'll only be able to get this fun notepad if you got the seasonal surprise box. Oh, that's crushing my heart right now, guys. I'm pretty sure, but my feeling is, and I hope it is because you guys, the layout of this is amazing. My hunch is that ERIN CONDREN will release a notepad that's very, very similar. It'll have almost identical like layout on the front, but it'll be in a different colorway, a different print, a different theme. So it won't have the same detailing, but it'll have all the functional parts to it still. Fingers crossed that that will happen if this is something that you guys wanted. If not, I'm really sorry, guys. This is probably my favorite thing in this box. Oh, that stinks. Okay, moving on. We can't keep talking about it. We have the gemstones desk accessory set. So I love that they call it gemstones. That's kind of fun. But this is, I didn't even look, a sneak peek. Okay, sweet. So you guys are going to be able to get this on the website probably in the near future. So if you are a student or are someone that would use this at work, then you'll be able to grab this. And then the last thing is the wine. So they call this the wine shade. Velvet pencil pouch, and it says it's exclusive. What? No. I feel like this would be such a useful item for everybody else to be able to buy. You know what? Similar to the notepad, I bet they're gonna come out with the same exact guy in a different color for you guys. So that's just my hunch. Because a lot of times with the seasonal surprise boxes, they'll come out with something that's brand new and say it's exclusive, but in reality, it's just the color of it or maybe something very small about it that is exclusive, and they'll come out with something very similar on the website for everyone else. So hopefully, if you guys wanted this cute little pencil pouch, you'll be able to get it, just not in this color. Unless you got the seasonal surprise box, then this is all yours. Okay, that is it for the box, you guys. I know this was a really fast video, but I just wanted to show you what was in there. Also, if you guys are new to ERIN CONDREN and you did want to pick up some of these sneak peek items on the website, and you haven't placed an order before, make sure to sign up with my link. I'll pop it up here on the screen for you guys. If you sign up with my link, you will get $10 off your very first order. And then I'll also make sure to link these items down below. That way you can go directly to them. Other than that, I will see you guys in Sunday's video. Bye.